Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful afternoon. I've been out pulling weeds, got it in my hair, trimming up my wormwood. It's already starting to pollinate out, get yellow everywhere. I sure don't want any of that any more than I do have it. It grows really good here. It's a beast. So, um, brought you out to the garden. Doesn't look very pretty from this angle, but it's doing fabulous. I'll have to do a little walking tour here shortly. The color may be a little distorted on the computer, but got my seeds for winter sowing. Don't think the gardening season is done because fall is coming up. You've got to get things rolling. Uh, According to my calculator, I should be planting next week. My bed's ready yet. So I will get those done very quickly. Very, very chives. Oh, this is Osborne Quality Seeds. They do have good seeds and quick turnaround. Oh my heck, I think it took me, I think these came here in 3 days. So, Nelly Organic Chives, Mild and Wild Brassica Mix for greens during winter to harvest, and a kale, yeah. So, nice. I'm excited. Very, very excited. I've got some high tunnels to grow under, but you could also do this in a regular garden bed, PVC pipe, Agribond, or you can build a bed facing south and put the cover on it. You can do it fairly inexpensive. And if you already have the beds, just modify them. Hoop bender if you want to go to that extreme. Plastic with cardboard frame. You can inspect a greenhouse real quick, or shoot a high tunnel real quick. Ticked area, but you could have greens throughout most of your winter. I'm in a zone 6, so basically it sets you into another zone. Mine would be zone 7. I can hold over lemon verbena, eucalyptus in mine. I've got scented geraniums in there, so those ought to hold over very well. They do, of course, die back, but that's the way it goes. I'm going to throw carrots, radish. So this is from Johnny's. We all, as gardeners, are addicted to Johnny's. But quick turnaround, just almost as quick as Osborne seeds. So we've got Pak Choi Black Summer. It's kind of a purple colored one, but it's really good. Really, really good. When we were doing the keto diet, we'd use these as replacements for tortilla shells. Wild marjoram mache. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Varianella lucusta. Anyway, it's cold, very cold hardy, preferring cool and mild conditions. It's small growing or low growing to the ground, but does pick whole rosettes by pinching or clipping at ground level. We'll give it a try this year and see how long we can extend those into the winter time. All-Star Gourmet Lettuce Mix, excellent, very tasty. Bunching onions, you can do those also. Red Russian kale. Spinach, Savoy spinach. Rangitoto. Curious to see where they come with these names. And Napoleon carrots. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, Danny Meal. This isn't for winter. It's basil. I need to throw some more basil into the ground. And I've never tried. This is Prospera, and it's pelleted. Certified organic, though. So that's good. I'm surprised with the pellets. I should have put it. And arugula. That should pretty much hold us over till I can get my late winter crops into the ground. So I'm excited to try it. It's a little experimentation. Here, you can put those right into the ground and you can cover them with straw or leaves over them, and you can harvest those in the wintertime. And they'll be sweeter. A good frost will make them sweeter. So, only thing I didn't have to order were beets, radishes. I didn't have those already. And those, of course, will be going in the ground next week or the week after. I start school shortly, or work. Back to school, high school here shortly. So, I'm going to get my butt in gear, and it's been hot. Really, really hot. So, I will take you around the garden while it's still lovely. And I'm having my first tea party out here next weekend. I'm so excited. We're doing a 3-tier. We've got our savory scones and desserts. And I'll do iced tea, lavender lemonade, and hot tea if they prefer. So this will be a good get together, and it's something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. So I will do a video right before. I won't take it even when the people are here. So, but I will shoot pictures or take video of the food we are having and what the tables will look like. I can find some nice vintage tablecloths or doilies or anything to dress up the table. So that'll be really, really fun. Also in the works, I just harvested some comfrey, so I'll be making comfrey salve. Take you along with that. It's a really good bone healer and skin conditioners. So, and good for your soil. Anything I didn't like that was going into my salve, I just threw on a garden bed. I've got really poor soil in that bed, so I'll just throw it on, throw some compost on, let it all decompose and enrich in the soil. So we'll go over comfrey also because it's such a wonderful garden plant. And once you have it, you have it. So I'll be digging some up. I've got a lot. Be digging some up and getting some friends over and sharing the wealth on the comfrey. And we'll go on from there. What else? Just busy harvesting. Holy moly, harvesting and drying flowers. And lavender. So that's good. Get out in the garden, move, get out while it's cool. So I hope you have an awesome day. Let's just get updated on the winter growing. I think that will be amazing. And I'll do some more research and read my book from Ellie Cohen. This winter gardening in Maine. If they can do it, certainly I can, right? So have a fantastic day. We'll see you in the next time.